One of the great features of the online Google suite of apps is that many of the documents and slideshows and things like that you can make with Google are shareable with other collaborators or people that you would like to present them to. Um, Anything that is shareable has this blue share button up in the corner. So let's say this is a document that was made for a class that I need to share with other teachers. Right now, it is currently shared with 3 people. If I click on that, I come to this share with others place. I can simply start typing a person's last name, for instance, a teacher. I can start typing a uh, student number, and I'll be able to look people up around the district that way and simply share it to them. I can decide at this point if they can edit, comment, or simply view on that. Now, if I want to go a step further, sometimes you'll get a document in an email or something like that where you go to open the document and it says you do not have permission to open this file. It has link sharing. It doesn't have link sharing turned on. The way to turn link sharing on, if you're going to, for instance, put a document onto a website or send it to a mass email, is to click on this link up here. And in that link, what you will find is that there are different things that you can do to have people view it. So you can, for instance, click here and change at the district level, or I can even go beyond that and even turn it all the way out to public on the web so that anybody could find and view what I'm trying to share with them. So once the link sharing is turned on, it updates inside the document, and that document would then be viewable on web pages, portfolios, and things like that. And that is how simple it is to share a document.